It contains vitamin C that makes the skin to become very even, very soft, and brightens your skin to the core. And it doesn't has effect, like it doesn't cause damage to the skin, damages such as stretch marks, uh, dark knees, dark elbows. No, you won't see any of those effects on your skin if you use this body lotion. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Rejoice Edwin. I do make videos about skincare, beauty, lifestyle, vlog, and so many more. Yes. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button and join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to us. Guys, in today's video, I will be listing out best skin whitening body lotions that has no effect and won't cause any damage to your precious skin. So let's get right into the video. The first body lotion that I will be listing is the Dr. T's body lotion. Dr. T is a very long-term body lotion that has been in the market for quite some time now, and many people have been using it, and the result has been very, very good. So this body lotion, the one I'm going to be telling you guys about, is the Dr. T's citrus. Yes, the one that has vitamin C in it. This one you see right on the screen is what we are going to be discussing about today. So this body lotion contains shea butter, vitamin C, and cocoa butter. And we all know that this with these three ingredients, there's your skin is going to get more and more lighting and brighter as you use it. Yes. So now this body lotion can be applied to the body most especially, and for the face you don't have to apply Dr. T on your face. Why? Because Dr. T is very, when it comes in reacting, it reacts very more on the skin. So now if you apply it on your skin is very delicate. The skin on your face is very delicate and it's thinner. So this skin you are seeing here is very thin. Our face skin is very thin than that of our body. So if you apply it here, there may be some little bit of reactions, So that is why it's good to apply a face cream on your face. Then you can apply the Dr. T on your body for best result. Next body lotion is the Medix 5.5 vitamin C cream. Like this cream is, it's an excellent. I give this one excellent. Yes, it's it has anti-aging in it. Like it's not going to make you to become older. It's going to make you to look younger and cute. Yes, you know what I mean. So it contains natural ingredients that are very good to the skin, which is the vitamin C. That we all know that vitamin C is very good in lightening of the skin. Yes, it is very good. So this body lotion is going to help improve your skin. So if you're suffering with dark spots, if you're suffering with texture skin, if you're suffering with so many skin problems, well, this is going to be a solution to your problem. So what are you waiting for? Go and grab yours. Yes, go and get yours for yourself. Getting that this cream also has turmeric in it. Yes, turmeric is like a super natural ingredient that helps the skin. It lightens the skin and keeps your skin very, very good. One is Clear Nature Skincare. Yes, Clear Nature Skincare body lotion. Yes. So now this is not a bleaching cream. Yes. So if you want to bleach your skin, avoid my video. Leave the video. So this is not a bleaching cream. No, this cream is only going to brighten your skin and keep your skin very well, glow your skin, make your skin to come out even. Yes, it is very unique and specific. It's formulated to fight against all problems of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and so many problems like brown spots. So if you're using this cream, there's higher possibility that you won't see any of those. Next one is a popular lotion. Yes, it is pure Egyptian magic whitening body lotion. So this body lotion works best when it comes in clearing of dark spots, ibibaba. Yes, and like when you have dark spots on your elbow, or you have it on your knees, or you have it on your thighs, like If you have dark spots in your body, this body lotion is going to clear it off. Yes. Like mine now, I don't have dark spots. You can see this one on my nose is a mole. We normally don't have it like this one here. So this body lotions does is clearing hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Yes. So if you love it, go get it. This is my favorite. Oh yes, it's the extract whitening lotion. Like this body lotion is very good. Like it's very good. Can I say it's perfect? Yes. I use it with the with the soap, and it has really helped my skin very well. It works effectively because it contains papaya, which helps in brightening the skin effectively and clears up. Next is Nivea, which is a very popular brand in market, and we all know that Nivea comes in varieties. Yes, so this one is the Nivea Extra White Femi Body Lotion. This one you're seeing on my screen. Yes. So now this has a deep white essence. Yes. So it has a super fruit extract and a Q10 that makes your skin whitening, brightening, and fair. You know, there's some body lotions that makes the skin to become very light, to become very white and bright. But the result is that the skin won't be firm anymore, but with Nivea, it's going to make your skin very fair. Yep, your skin texture is going to be very good. One and only, which is the last body lotion, is our Nivea Fairness. Nivea Fairness Nourishment Body Lotion. Like this, I don't even have to go deep about this body lotion because this body lotion is, can I say, the overall, the pata pata. You understand? And this body lotion is, I'm going to rate it as a 9.9 over 100. Yes, because this body lotion, it evens your skin, moisturize your skin, like, and cleanse dark spots. You see, it leaves a nice fragrance on your skin. Like it, can I say it works on so many things? Like I give you the crown. So these are the body lotions that will brighten up your skin, and like, if you work, under the sun, your skin will be shiny like a star. So just go get these body lotions. They are very affordable here in Nigeria, and start seeing how your skin is going to glow. Hello guys, please do hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. It's very important. I know the try. I know they try. I beg, encourage me. I wanna, like, people should encourage me, even if it's just little. Little of encouragement is needed in this because it's not easy and I'm losing my patience. So please guys, do encourage me very well so that I can make more videos and share my skincare journeys and my skincare tips with you guys. I feel depressed.